welcome to the SWS Naatu Naatu series, and my name is Tejaswini Sudhir. This is a free series we have brought to you on YouTube to help you with your ICSE Class 10 board preparation, last minute tips and revision strategies. Today, I bring to you a test paper for you and I to solve together so that we can revise all the concepts in mathematics. Do subscribe to Study with Sudhir YouTube channel to help you with your preparation in Class 10, 11 and 12. Let's get started. Let's start off with solving the question paper. The first section is the MCQ section and it's a very scoring section. Let's start off. Question 1 says, if the cost of an article is rupees 25,000 and the CSTT paid by the owner is 2,250, the rate of GST is. Okay, it's a question from the GST part. So question 1. So it says that the CGST is equal to 2,250 rupees. And it's also written that the cost of the article is 25,000 rupees. So as you very well know, CGST is equal to SGST, right? Central GST is equal to state GST, which is therefore SGST is equal to also 2,250 rupees. We then know that GST is equal to CGST plus SGST, which is 2,250 plus 2,250, which comes to 4,500 rupees, right? Now we know the GST. They're asking you to the rate of GST. So the rate of GST will be equal to GST by the cost of the article into 100, which comes to 4,500 rupees by 25,000 rupees into 100. Right? 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 5 1s are 5 1s are 5, 40, 80. So therefore, the rate of GST will be 18%, which is option D. So option D is the right answer for the first question. Let's go on to the second question. The second question says that the quadratic equation 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0 has, they're asking the type of roots. This is I would also like to say that for the first question, you didn't have to write all the steps. You can just skip steps if you know, because finally they just want you to pick which option is right. So for the second question, as we very well know, D discriminant is equal to B square minus 4AC. In the question given, A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 4 root 3, and C is equal to 4. So D will be equal to B square, which is minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4, which will come to minus 4 or square is 16 into 3 minus 4 into 3 into 4, which is nothing but 16 3s are 48. Minus 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48 again. So 48 minus 48, which comes to 0. So therefore, we got D is equal to 0. So when D is equal to 0, it means there are equal roots. So the answer for this particular question will be 2 equal real roots. So B is the answer for this particular question. So this is a very easy question. You could have directly, you didn't have to write that b square is equal to 4ac. You could have directly substituted and got the answer directly. So it's a very easy question. Direct 2 marks mil gaya aapko. The next question let's go to, which is a very similar, again similar concept. The roots of the quadratic equation mx square minus 7mx plus 49 is equal to 0 are equal. The value of m is. So they're saying that the roots are equal. It is the same concept in the previous question. If the roots are equal, it means that the discriminant is equal to 0. So a is equal to m, b is equal to minus 7m, and c is equal to 49. So as you know, b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. So you get it as 49m square minus 4 into a into c should be equal to 0. So 49m square minus 4 into m into 49 is equal to 0. So 49m square is equal to 4 into m into 49. 49 cut gya, m or a m cut gya. So we get the answer as m is equal to 4. That's your answer, which is your A option, right? So this was again the very simple question. So a lot of questions will come based on roots of the quadratic equation. You just need to know the basic b square minus 4ac is a discriminant, and based on that, and the properties for each of the conditions will be you need to remember so that you can get the answer. The next question says, this is the fourth question. The mark already mil gaye. If matrix A is of the order 3 into 2 and matrix B is of the order 2 into 2, then they're asking matrix AB ka kya order hoga? What will be the order of matrix AB? So as we very well know, when you're doing matrix multiplication, you will take the first row and second ka column. So matrix AB will have 3 into 2. So the A option is the right answer. It's a very simple question. It's a very direct question. All you needed to know when you were studying matrix multiplication, you would have learned so that you can cross check your answer, right? So fourth ka A option. Now let's go on to the fifth question. If 73 is the nth term of the arithmetic progression 3, 8, 13, 18, ... at some point 73 comes. This is the nth term, right? What they're asking you is, what is the value of n? So A is equal to 3, B is equal to 8 minus 3, which is equal to 13 minus 8, which is equal to 5. So as you know, the formula is, so for the nth term value, A plus n minus 1 into D. So that gets you 3 plus n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 3 plus 5n minus 5. 73 is equal to 3 minus 5 is minus 2 plus 5n. So 75 is equal to 5n. So therefore, n is equal to 15. So n is equal to 15 is the answer, right? So that is option C. Option C is the right answer for the fifth question, right? Simple hai na? Let's go on to the next question, which says that what is the image of the point 3, minus 4 under reflection in the x-axis, right? This is a reflection based question. So they're asking you, what is the image of the point 3 comma minus 4. Shall we draw this and see? So this is the sixth question. So what they're saying is that this is your thing. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. They're saying if this is 1, 2, 3 and -1, -2, -3, -4. then यहाँ पे भी draw कर देते हैं -1, -2, -3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Now, let's first locate this point, that is 3 comma -4, which is somewhere here, right? And they're asking you under reflection in the x-axis. The x-axis is nothing but this is the x-axis. So in the x-axis, you can also say that y is equal to 0. So what you always need to remember is that if y is equal to 0 is the line for reflection, only the y coordinate will change. So what will happen? This point, reflection, if this is the mirror, it will reflect this side. It will reflect somewhere here, right? So this is the point we need to know, that is 3 comma 4. So the answer for this particular question will be that the y coordinate changes. So the reflected point will be 3 comma 4, which is option B. Option B is the right answer. Shall we go on to the next question, please? I hope you've understood. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to actually solve it for you, right? Let's go on to the 7th question. This is a nice question, like it. Do you know, as soon as you look at the question, do you know what it is based on? So let us, we don't even need to draw the thing. It's very simple. So this is the 7th question. I'm not very used to writing with this pen tab. Otherwise, my handwriting is pretty neat, but with this pen tab, it doesn't come across like that. So as you can very well see in the question, you have two triangles. One is triangle APB and another is triangle QPR, right? They're two triangles. So let us try to find some relation between the sides of the two triangles. So, so if you see AP is equal to 2.4 centimeters. QP will be equal to 2.4 plus 3.6, which is nothing but 6 plus 4 is 10, 1 in the mind, 3 plus 2 is 5, 6 centimeters. Similarly, PB is equal to 3.2 centimeters and PR will be equal to 3.2 plus 4.8, which is nothing but 8 plus 4, 2 is 10, 1 in the mind, 3 plus 4 is 7, 8 centimeters. So let us try to do AP by QP, which is nothing but 2.4 by 6, which is 6 4s are 24, 0.4 by 1, which is nothing but 4 by 10, right? Which is nothing but 2 by 5. Similarly, when we do PB by PR, we get 3.2 by 8, which is nothing but 8 4s are 32. So 0.4 by 1, which is nothing but 4 by 10 again, which is 2 by 5. So what does this show? The triangle APB is similar to triangle QPR. So what we can do is that, what this means is that if AP by QP is equal to PB by PR, which also means that AB by QR should be equal to the same value. So what we do, 2 by 5 is equal to 2 by X. So what we get is that X is equal to 2 into 5 by 2. So therefore, we get X is equal to 5 centimeters, which is the B option, which is the right answer. This is a very simple question, right? Shall we go on to the next question, please? Yeah, let's go on to the next question. eighth one. Every time I'm trying to set the background is black because that's how I like it. Let's go on to the eighth question. What it says is that the ratio of the volumes of two spheres is 8:27. So volume of two spheres, volume ka formula is 4/3 pi r cube, right? So they're saying that the volume of the ratio of the volumes of two spheres. Then they're asking r is to r. So 4/3 pi small r cube by 4/3 pi capital R cube is equal to 8/27. 4/3 gets cancelled, pi gets cancelled. So small r cube by capital R cube is equal to 8/27. So r by capital R is equal to cube root of 8/27, which is nothing but 2/3. So R is to capital R is equal to 2:3. That is your answer. So that is which option? 8 is option C. Yes, right answer. Right? Now let's go on to the 9th question. These are such simple questions and very simple to solve. If you think I'm going slow so that everyone understands what I'm saying. But if you think I'm going slow, you can watch my videos on 1.5x. I don't think it'll be much of an issue, right? -8 is less than or equal to 2x is less than 8, where x belongs to w is the next question. So since 2x is given, we need in the form of x. So what we do, you divide completely, divide by 2 throughout. So you get -4 is less than or equal to x is less than, is less than 4. So -4 is less than or equal to x is less than 4. Since it's given that x belongs to w, so what you will get in your set will be 0, 1, 2, 3. A lot of people make mistake based on this because it's written less than 4 and not less than or equal to 4. So therefore 4 is not included. So the answer will be this, which is option C again. I hope all of you get this right. In the long answer type question, a similar question can be asked and they can ask you to represent it on the number line. So ये आपको करना आना चाहिए, ठीक है ना? Let's go on to the next question, which is question 10. It's a probability-based question. A bag contains 4 red marbles, 3 blue marbles, and 2 green marbles. When one is picked up at random, what's the probability that it is not red? Right? So this is the 10th question, right? So this is the 10th question. So total number of marbles is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 2, which is 7 plus 8, 9, right? Number of non-red, that is blue plus green, which is nothing but 3 plus 2, which is 5. So probability that it is not red, is equal to 5/9, which is the answer, which is the C bit again. It's a very simple, probability questions are very simple to do, just it's basic logic which you need to be applying, right? Let's go on to the 11th question, which is also again based on matrices, right? 11th question. So it says that 2x01 plus 3 into 2140 is equal to 8, 8, 12, 1. You don't need to actually be writing all these steps, but then this is so that because this is an explanatory video, I'm doing all the steps for everyone to understand. But in the final exams, and if you are with enough practice, you would know directly what is to be put to get your answer. So it won't be much of an issue. You don't need to be wasting so much of time writing so many steps. Steps are mainly so that you don't make any mistakes. Okay? So x plus, since see the rest of the values you don't need to be taking into account, because 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 0 plus 12 is 12. In the other, only x value you need to find out. So x plus 3 is equal to 8. So you get x is equal to 5, which is the answer, which is the D option, right? That's your answer. Let's go on to the next question. 12th question. What are the coordinates of the point that is 3 units to the left and 2 units above the point 2, minus 5, right? That's your next question. Let us actually draw the number line. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So where is this point? Let us first locate that. It is 2, minus 5, which is somewhere here, right? And now it is saying that what the coordinates of the point? There is 3 units to the left. That is 2 se 3 unit yahan pe is here, right? And we have to go below now. Is somewhere here. 3 units to the left. Now they are asking 2 units above the point, which is here. So our new point is here. This is the old point and this is the new point. The new point ka coordinate kya hai? -1, minus 3. So -1, minus 3 would be your new answer, which is option B. So 12th question ka answer hoga option B. Let's go on to the next question. If you have any doubts, if you want me to clarify any particular concept, please let me know in the comment section and I'll gladly do so. Right? So let's go on to the next question. Next question has circle ke upar. Let us draw a circle, right? And now it says that there is one line like this here that's passing through the diameter. I'm very bad at drawing in this particular chord. So this is 55 degrees. This is O. This is B. This is C. They're asking you to find X. And this is A, right? So what they're saying is AB is the diameter of the circle. Okay, na? With center O. O center nahi hai, but samajh lo. Okay, na? If angle COB is 55 degrees, which is given, that is angle COB is equal to 55 degrees. We know in the theorem that the angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference. So therefore, we know that angle CAO is equal to half angle COB, because the angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference. So therefore, let's try to find out angle CAO. So angle CAO is equal to half into 55 degrees, which comes to 27.5 degrees. Now we know that AO is a radius, right? Similarly, CO is also a radius. So therefore, angle CAO should be equal to angle ACO, right? So therefore, X will be equal to angle CAO, which is equal to 27 point. Oh God. So will be equal to 27.5 degrees. So that is your answer, which is for the 13th question, option A. Let's go on to the next question, which is the 14th question, penultimate question. It's an AP based question. What is the general term of the AP? So the AP goes this way. It is 3, 7, 11, 15, ... Kya aega? What is the general term? That is, general term is based on N. So A is equal to 3. D is equal to 7 minus 3, which is equal to 11 minus 7, which is equal to 4. Right? And to find the general term, it is A plus N minus 1 into D, which is nothing but 3 plus N minus 1 into 4, which is nothing but 3 plus 4N minus 4, which comes to 4N. 3 minus 4 is 1, 4N minus 1, which is the A option, and that is the right option. See, there were 2 questions in this MCQ itself, which was based on AP, right? Let's go on to the last question in this MCQ series for this particular paper. The medium of a given frequency, this is a very direct question. I hope all of you know this. The medium of a given frequency distribution is found graphically with the help of what? Median. All of you must have learned this in your 10th grade because you have done this time and again. The answer is ogive. When you are drawing your ogive, you are asked many times to come to know of the median of the frequency distribution. So ogive is the right answer, which is option D. With this, we come to the end of the MCQs in this particular paper. In the next video, I will be doing the rest of the paper. I'll be solving the rest of the paper. If you have any particular doubts, do let me know. Do watch the video at a faster speed. So if you already know the concepts, try to solve it on your own and then check the answers so that you get more practice. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to Study with Sudhir YouTube channel so that you get all the help you require for you to ace your ICSE Class 10 board exams. Thank you so much for watching.